What's up, everybody? I want to talk about something a little different on today's episode. I'm going to talk about a stock and a company called PayPal. Ticker symbol is PYPL. Now, PayPal is a company that's been around for a very, very long time. It has a very strong name. It is synonymous with Peter Thiel, synonymous with Elon Musk, and it's synonymous with eBay. You see, PayPal was bought by eBay a while ago. It was a spin-off of eBay, and PayPal became its own company. At one point, PayPal's market cap was much higher than eBay's market cap, with shares per price hitting around $300 a share during COVID. Right now, the shares are trading in low 60s, I believe $63 off the top of my head. A little bit over 2 weeks ago, right around earnings, PayPal was trading at high 70 bucks. Really, really crazy what happened to PayPal. Now, PayPal is a stock that I have options in, and I share it with my channel members. Normally, I would be making this video only for my channel members, but I thought, why not expand my channel, try to get more viewers, and talk about some stocks that I like besides, for example, PALANTIR and HIMS and SoFi. Let me expand. PayPal has a CEO. The CEO of PayPal is leaving this year. They were going to announce a new CEO this year. They just announced the new CEO, Alex Chriss. Alex Chriss comes from a company called Intuit. He was one of the executives in Intuit, and he's responsible for some really big mergers and acquisitions. Out of 9 candidates, this is the guy that they chose. This brings a level of certainty in uncertain time for PayPal. PayPal is currently trading at the same price it was approximately in 2017, except in 2017 their revenue was right around 13 billion for the whole year. Right now their revenue is 7 billion for a quarter, which is going to be right around 30 billion once you compound that for the year compared to 13 billion in 2017. Something's not right here because PayPal is a much larger company bringing in more revenue today than it did in 2017. But the price today is the same as it was in 2017. The question is why? Besides for the actual price, also you have something called PE. The PE of PayPal today is in the low 30s, which is the same thing it was in 2017. Now, PE is price per earnings. This is the future value Wall Street gives a stock, a multiple of a stock's revenue and growth. The PE is the same as it was in 2017, and there's something called the TTM, which is a trailing 12 months. So the multiple is based on the last 12 months. However, if you go to a forward PE, which is the projected 12 months, we are actually in the low mid-teens. It's super, super cheap compared to where PayPal was since infinity, since beginning of time, specifically PayPal. The question is PayPal overvalued, undervalued, or fairly valued? My opinion, only my opinion, not financial advice, PayPal is undervalued. At the height of COVID, $300 a share. Is PayPal ever going to get back to $300 a share? I don't know. I don't think so. In my opinion, PayPal should be trading at $100 plus, at a minimum $100, somewhere between $100 and $150. Probably the sweet spot of PayPal's trading should be right around 110 to 125, around that range, in my opinion. PayPal is a cash king. It's a behemoth. It's a monster. And they have a lot of good pros that are happening for them, which I'll share in just a moment. One of the uncertainties that they had was the CEO leaving. And the uncertainty was, well, who's going to be the new CEO? And are they going to be a competent CEO? With Alex Chriss now at the helm, who's going to take over September 27th, the old CEO is going to remain as an advisor on the board. I believe this is bullish, not bearish, especially somebody that comes from a finance background. Intuit is finance, digital finance, so on and so forth. And it's coming at a really, really good time. On top of that, PayPal announced a PayPal stablecoin. A PayPal stablecoin in crypto is bullish for PayPal. Why? When people convert USD to PayPal stablecoin, PayPal can invest that in short-term yields and generate a lot of extra cash. PayPal likes to buy back shares. They don't offer a dividend, but they do a share buyback. The first half of 2023, they already bought $3 billion. They're estimating that they're going to buy $5 billion worth of stock back this year. This couldn't have come at a better time because the prices are very low. Last year, the year before that, so on and so forth, PayPal spends billions of dollars every single year to buy back shares. So just by holding PayPal, the value of your shares should go up by share buyback. However, there is still impressive growth when it comes to PayPal. The problem with PayPal is they're reducing their costs, so profit margins are going up. However, the profit margins are going up not due to the actual products, but due to being leaner and slimmer and cutting back costs. And the question was last quarter and this quarter, how many more quarters do they have of cutting back in order to overcompensate for the lack of revenue or lack of margins, not revenue, that are coming from their products? You see, PayPal has PayPal, they have something called Braintree, and they have something called Venmo. Venmo, a lot of people use. It's like a Cash App, but a little higher version, if you want to call it that. And Venmo is basically 1/3 or 28%, 26% of the business of PayPal. Venmo is expanding offerings that they're going to have, and soon you're going to be able to do Venmo to PayPal, PayPal to Venmo. Well, the interesting thing is now Venmo and PayPal are going to have this PayPal stablecoin, which is built on Ethereum, which means that anybody that has an Ethereum wallet can also convert stablecoin to Ethereum or stablecoin to any Ethereum asset, or if somebody else has a stablecoin on their wallet, you can convert that as well. And all of a sudden, you're now going to have decentralization in the sense of Venmo is going to be able to send to Cash App and vice versa, and to many other wallets that people hold. People not realizing this, but this is really, really big. Maybe this allows them to onboard more clients. Besides for that, Venmo is going to keep innovating. That's probably their most innovative part of the business. And Venmo actually processes more payments than Zelle, believe it or not. Zelle is from a cohort of different banks, and you're essentially can send money instantly to people in different banks. Besides for Venmo, they have Braintree and they have PayPal. Braintree is unbranded PayPal. PayPal is branded PayPal. So when you go to check out and you see PayPal, they're a trusted brand. They have a lot of conversions, and they make the most percentage on PayPal in terms of fees. So their margins for using PayPal is a lot, or branded. Unbranded, Braintree is used by many corporations, and you don't even know that you're using essentially PayPal wrapped up in their own brand. For example, Airbnb, I believe Uber uses it. If I'm not mistaken, bookings.com. A lot of huge corporations that you have heard of, that you use every single day, you are actually using PayPal, but you don't know that. The problem is, unbranded, Braintree does not give them the best margins, which means that their total value increases, like total transactions increases, their customer sign up increases. However, their margins are contracting. So they're actually expanding, but contracting at the same time. They're essentially shooting themselves in their foot by offering Braintree or unbranded. Because of this, people are worried, is PayPal going to grow? So I'll give you guys my point of view. I think PayPal eventually is going to keep growing, both branded and unbranded, but at a certain point, they're going to stop losing. Not stop losing, but stop not making as much money using Braintree. The CEO currently says the reason they're doing this is to collect data, and they're using artificial intelligence, whatever that means, to process this data to be able to push more products and more conversions when people use PayPal. There's a lot of dropped processing. For example, if you can't log in because you don't know your password or something like that, They want to stop this to increase more and more processing. If they can increase processing or reduce drops by just 1%, this is a lot of money to the bottom line. Look, I have PayPal. I have an options play on PayPal. The options play is 145 strike January 2025. This is what I like. Today's price is the same price that I was buying it a month ago before a major run-up. I believe that there was a lot of uncertainty. I believe that the next two earnings are actually going to be good for PayPal, not bad. I could be completely wrong. Guys, PayPal is a huge opportunity. You don't always get a dirt cheap company when the company is actually a really good company like PayPal. Remember what I said. They buy back $5 billion of shares a year. That's absolutely insane. If you believe PayPal and you believe the vision, then you're going to believe in interoperability with this new PayPal stablecoin, which is not like the magic pill over here, right? That's not the magic of PayPal. It's not the secret sauce, but it is going to help them to expand, and it shows you that they are innovating and moving forward with new items and things like that. I believe they're going to offer more services, and PayPal has a shit ton of cash that they can make acquisitions, mergers, so on and so forth, in order to be even more profitable and increase their margins in the future. Yes, I don't think PayPal is worth $63. No, I don't think PayPal is going to be ever $300 again unless something crazy happens and e-commerce just explodes. Yes, I believe that PayPal has a good amount to grow from here to around that $110, $120 mark. But at the very least, I think PayPal should be valued at $100, and it's a crying shame at the price of PayPal currently right now. With the new CEO, I am very bullish that uncertainty now becomes certainty, and he is going to bring this PayPal to the next level. He's going to come up with new innovation. He's going to come up with a new vision, and that innovation and vision is going to bring PayPal back up. That's what I think is going to happen. And I put my money where my mouth is with this thesis and this theory about PayPal. Let me know down below what you guys think about PayPal, and let me know if you guys want me to keep covering stocks outside of PALANTIR, SoFi, and HIMS so that I can extend my base. Usually these videos don't do so well unless I'm talking about PALANTIR. So we'll see what's going to happen. Thank you very, very much. Have a great day. And to all my channel members, I love you guys so much. And if you guys want to become channel members and you're watching for the first time and you guys want more options plays, not financial advice, purely entertainment and education, don't listen to me. If you're listening to me, you're probably a schmuck. Don't listen to any YouTuber. Do your own due diligence, and whatever I do should be at the best an idea. But if you guys want those ideas, I have channel membership down below. It's $3 a month, and I put out a lot of content for you guys. Thank you very much, and have a great day.